Well, I'm Shirley. I'm 77. I was born in Kent. And we've been here 15 years now. We've never looked back. We really love it here. When we came to Wales in 2004, we got our bus passes, both of us, and we still drove the car at the time. And then my husband became ill and he got very bad, so I done the driving. After about a year, 2 years, I went to the opticians. They said I had glaucoma. They retested me and said that it wouldn't be wise for me to drive anymore, so we had to give the car up. He was in hospital quite a lot, and I used to have to get on at least 3 buses to get there. And then that's when the bus pass really came into its own for me. That was my lifeline. A lot of ladies are widowed, and they're in the same boat as me. They're on their own. You don't see anybody from one day to the next. You haven't got anyone to talk to. I think that's what it's, a loneliness really. It really was a godsend to me. Well, it opens up your life. It opens up your day. It's given me a lot of freedom.
Whistling birds awoke me, though my mind's still in a dream.
You can sit back and look out, and you see all the different seasons, and you can see right over the mountains.
In which we stand and watch the scenery of black stones and yellow weed.
You know, it's such a beautiful area. You wouldn't want to sit indoors. You'd want to get out.
And the wind blows mixed emotions, tells the summer to make way.
People used to joke, oh, we'll soon be getting our bus passes. That was a running joke, wasn't it? When you reach 60, you get your bus pass. If it's a lovely day, I'll get the bus and go down. I get the dog food in a little bit. Then I might have a wander around the market. I think it's the flea market on a Friday. And I go and see my friend who lives across the road. She's got a shop in the market. We have a chat and talk about our holidays and our families, and we have a lovely, lovely chat. It's like a family. Because I was isolated so much with my husband being ill, I always have a little chinwag. I love to talk to everybody, and they're very friendly. They're a very friendly lot around here, so it's very nice. I think it's a wonderful thing. It really helps the elderly. Years ago, in the 70s and 80s, all the men drove, and their wives never got a chance to learn to drive. So a lot of ladies that I meet have never driven, so they've always relied on their bus passes when they got to 60. And I think, our age group, there wasn't a lot of women that drove cars. So the bus is their only lifeline.
Whistling birds awoke me, though my mind's still in a dream. In which we stand and watch the scenery of black stones and yellow